Welcome back once again. In this part we will start working on our prototyping for the chat and group. So let me run it, and now if I'm gonna click on the sign in page, then we're in home page. We can access to our friend page, then we can access our profile page, and then we can also access our chat page, but we cannot access our group page, which is this group page. Although we have the option, we cannot access this one, and the reason is that we haven't added any prototyping in between these two one. So for that we need to add our prototype. So click on this prototype icon. So click on this prototype tab. Once you are here, now when our user in this chat group option, which it will come when our user will click on this chat icon. So chat icon will by default open the chat list, and from this chat list when user will click on this group, they should see this option. So for that I'm gonna click on this group option. You need to select on this group, not the entire icon or not the entire background. Okay, so click on this group and drag it to here. Alright, so now let me run it. So when we will click on this group, we are in this group section. You can see create group. From the create group option, when I will click on this chat icon, we will be in chat section. From the chat section, when we will click on this group icon, we are here. So now when we are in group section, if our user will click on the chat icon, they should move to the chat page, but in here we cannot do this thing. So we can do it in the same way. You can simply click on the chat option from this chat group artboard and drag it to here. So we can simply click on this chat text in this chat group artboard, then we can drag it here. Now if I run it, it should work. So we are in group, and if I'm going to click on this chat group, here we go, we can access the chat. And if I'm going to click on this group, then I can see this group is here. From the same way, if I'm going to click on this icon on this bottom bar, then still we can access the chat option. We don't have any clicking option here because we are already in chat group. We are already in chat option. And from here, if I'm going to click on this group, then we can see we are in this group option. From here we can also access this one, and from here we can also access by clicking on this chat option. We can also access our profile page, our friend list page, our home page. Alright, another thing is that when our user will click on this logout text, they should they should be able to redirect to this sign in page, right? We haven't added any prototyping for this logout, so I'm gonna add this one in this part. So for adding a prototyping, we can make it group, so that when our user will click on this background color or on this text, they should redirect to the sign in page. So for doing this thing, first we need to make it a group. So select the whole text and a rectangle background and make it group. Press Command G, so it has become a group, and we can simply change the name. We can say logout, we can say log out. Alright, and then we can move to the prototype option. So from here, when our user will click on this icon, we can simply, so in here we can customize it. So instead of dragging it in this way, alright, so by default it is connecting this way because it's near to this one, and I'm gonna choose a destination artboard, and we can say sign in page. Alright, see, it is gonna add the drag from here to here. See, from here to here. Alright, so once you will have a lot of artboard, and that time it will be difficult for you to drag the data from here to here. That in that case you can simply change it here in this destination page, because in this destination page you will be able to access all of your artboard that you will have, and you can simply select it. Okay, and now we can also add animation for this one. So sign in page, and where we can see this. So first let me run it and then click on it, and we're in sign in page. So I'm going to stop this video right here, and we will continue it from the next lecture. See you guys in the next lecture. Bye bye.